มาซื้อของไปจัดคริสต์มาสนะคะแล้วก็อันนี้ก็ยังไม่ถึงเนาะแต่เราจะไปเตรียมไว้ก่อนเดี๋ยวเรามาชมกันเลยว่ามีอะไรข้างในบ้าง
Yes, we go to find some Christmas decoration for Christmas tree in our apartment, room, condo. We see if we find something here and after we go maybe to Lotus.
โลตัส
Lotus. But it's a Lotus,
อันนี้เราอยู่
guys.
ที่เซ็นทรัลพัทยาบีชนะคะ
Yes, Central Pattaya now.
ไปข้างในกัน
We go to see a Christmas tree now.
เหรอ
No.
แต่มันดิสคาวน์มา50%นะ
What if no, no, not discount. My discount. Oh, nice t-shirt. Ah, you. You stay like this too? Next time. What? It's Christmas. I want one lemon juice. What you buy? Lemon.
40 บาท
60 baht.
40 บาท
40 baht. I need to try more thing from here. A lot of people today in mall.
ออเดอร์น้ำมะนาวกันนะคะ
ใช่ ขอบคุณครับ 20 baht one, 40 baht together.
แก้ว40
Aroy? She like it. Yeah. I like too. I drink every time when I come in the mall from here. Stop to eat.
อันนี้อยู่ที่ซูกิชินะคะเป็นปิ้งย่างเกาหลีเราเป็นครั้งที่ 2แล้ววันนี้มีโปรโมชั่นด้วยมา4จ่าย
You are for shabu, yeah?
3ไม่ใช่เป็นปิ้งย่างเลย
Huh?
พี่คะ
You scan. After choose the language, Thai or English.
อยู่ออเดอร์
Da.
ทำไมไวจัง
ใช่
นี่จะมีเมนูหลายๆ เมนูเลยนะคะมีโปรโมชั่นหลายอย่างมาก นี่ไม่ว่าจะเป็นเนื้อหมูเนื้อวัว อยู่ในรวมราคาที่มีแบบว้าว
You can order a lot of things. And you choose dessert, chocolate, ice cream. I take like salmon with soup now and garlic. I don't know where is my garlic now, but I think come soon.
มีกุ้งด้วยกุ้งแม่น้
I have shrimp,
ำปลากระพงมีเนื้อโอ้โห
shells, I
เยอะ
think.
มากเลยราคานี้คือถูกมาก มีชูชีด้วยนักเก็ตไก่ป๊อปว้าว
My chicken. You order soup too? Who? Ah. You order.
Look.
Yes, yes. I don't know.
I order นะอ้าวทำไมไม่บอกล่ะกำลังจะหาถ้วยหาช้อนอยู่ แล้ว
อร่อยทำอะไร
ชูชิเหรอ ไม่รู้อ่ะข้าวห่อสาหร่ายแต่มันอร่อยไหมนะ
อร่อย I order some garlic with beef and rice meat I order now chocolate with ice cream what you order
Not yet
Not yet
ยังไม่อิ่ม
How much? 80 baht? Take one. Which one? Light, yes. You don't have more?
You order already เหรอ
What is this? For what? Hey, what is this?
A sticker
Sticker. This one. You have a... Can you...
What is it?
I don't know, was it here? Put another way.
Oh wow
Snowball. Yes.
This one?
Yes, take one this. I know what is this.
What is it?
You want sock? How much is this one? 69 I think. Or take one. Take one. Okay. What's this?
มันจะไม่แตกใช่ไหม
Hi,
One way?
No. I like this one too. Or? It's nice.
This is more. Look.
Take one, take. I have many ears. You don't have.
I have.
You don't have. No have. Take. Wait, I need to look here. For a second. We have a lot of decoration, guys. Which color you want to make the Christmas tree?
I want this.
Yellow? But
What do you think?
I think no, red don't have red. No, have red. They have here, guys, Lego for Christmas. Wow. They have down too. What is this?
For the key.
You take yellow. You say you want yellow.
Not yellow.
And this one which color? Red. Red and green. Yeah, this one.
Why?
Because it's Christmas. Take. How much is one? How much is one?
$75.
Take two like this. For room, not for Christmas tree, for room.
What is it? This?
Take two for room, yeah, to put in room. But you need to look for light, Christmas light. You don't have. And for Christmas tree, you want to color yellow? You want to?
This one.
This one for room.
Yeah, this one for Christmas.
You want this one or this one? Or there? You have there too.
And this one, it is like this. You can put this.
Yes. What they have here? Let it snow, let it snow. Something like this. We have here too, look after. Oh, it's better. I think it's better this.
What?
And here don't have this color. No have. No have. Yeah, I think it's good this one. But this one, guys. Take two, baby. Or
We have one.
just one?
Yes.
Two. How much is one small Christmas tree? What is this?
You need big.
Ah. Okay, guys, we need to move this one here and after we come the big bag. This one is interessant again. Yeah. But we have here to look where the size is now. After. But this one, guys. I see here. Come. Have a lot.
But star, this one star not for cook. This one for cook.
In Christmas tree. But you need to look for Christmas light.
We go, yes. We go.
B2S. No. I'm not sure.
Have Mr. DIY in the road here, not that.
Okay, go look.
You know where is
Yeah.
McDonald's?
Baby, don't see this one. Look here down. Shit. Look at this here, guys. You see this color? You take yellow. You have pink behind.
Wow. I can, right?
Yes.
No, it's too much. Like this?
Yeah, you can take this one. These two. But you don't have place for all. You put yellow back, or? Okay. Are you sure? Look good. Look. You take the yellow and look too. If you want to have big bag, there. No. I think this one is beautiful, but
This one small, this one is.
but you think which color you want, baby? Because you have this one. Change.
อันนั้นของเธอที่ว่าต้นคริสต์มาสมันมีอันนี้ไหม
If you take red and white, you need to take this one for Christmas, the green and red, not white. Да. I think good.
This white, you
Take, we put in room. We put in room. No problem. We
And
find.
maybe we change with this.
We see after. What is this? No.
I think we want now because we have Christmas. Hey, Bobo. I got that. Babe. Look. ถึงราคา Shit.
What is this? Ah, for shower or? And they have one, this one I buy, like it. 1 second guys, 1 second. Need to look this one too. For Christmas tree, to put in Christmas tree. What the? Ah, look this one. Take this one too.
Take another.
I have this one. What I take?
You take like this.
I have this one, yeah. If you want to have,
No, I love it.
and you need to. I know what I want. Alex, look up. Lego. At Christmas. This one for Christmas tree if you want to put, because you need, maybe. Or this one, you like it. What is this? For what? This is for shower or?
Too much, huh?
You can put.
Because we have red a lot.
Okay.
I see.
I see. But 600 baht. You can take it.
So put some in the fridge.
What is this, baby? Right, down, down.
Me?
Yes.
Spoon.
Ah, spoon. Like candy.
Tren รถไฟ ยกล้อแล้ว
I don't touch anything. For drink, calendar. And look, this one is nice. Christmas.
Annie.
It's not like if you want to put. But have nice stuff here. What this one? Christmas, baby, first one. What it is?
Me?
No. Yes, this one. It's nice. How much?
Yeah, for the door.
How much?
100.
No, it's more expensive than another one. And this one, how much is? Spoon in for Christmas.
This on? I'm not sure.
I'm not sure. What you find? Need one for present, baby. For put present. Baby, one. This one. This one for present. How much is 6?
What?
Yeah, need one. This. But it's not so beautiful, I think. They have Christmas light, Alex, but I think it's cheap, very cheap. But it's cheap, I think. Yeah. Babe, I buy for you this one. Leo, Leo. You say you need.
ทำไมอ่ะ
For child. Okay, I buy this one. Star. Ah, yeah, you need one.
A little one.
No.
This or this?
Yellow, yellow. What color you have? Not put here. Wait. And here too, it's with color something. Right there.
Please.
1 second. I think this one, it's nice to have. How much is? How much is this one?
60 baht.
60 baht. We buy this one
Too
too.
big, nah?
No, on the door or something like that. Not for Christmas tree, this one. And here what they have. Yeah. Oh no, she find makeup again. You want? Okay guys, we talk later.
ดูอีกร้าน For gift shop. So halal for everything.
Yes. Earrings. Yeah, earrings. It's nice. Selamat Kap. Ah, good Christmas light. It's Christmas light.
Gift กาแฟที่สตาร์บัคนะ
for fireworks. Now 1 hour 30 minutes and we have fireworks. The last day.
วันที่2 รั้งแรกเลยนะ the first time I come here
Yeah, she see first time fireworks. Never was to fireworks until now. I don't know why. Why?
I don't have time ไง ฉันไม่มีเว
What
ลา
time? We have time.
and ฉันไม่มี friend come to อ่ะ
What to do if we follow you?
ใช่
Fireworks.
ไอ้ดัน ก็วิ่งสิคะจะรออะไร มันจะไม่มาถึงแล้วมันจะพูน
Hi, tea.
หมดแล้วไม่มีแล้วสั่งไว้กินหมดแล้ว
Food. We wait fireworks.
ของสมเด็จพระนางเจ้าสิริกิติ์พระบรมราชินีนาถนั้นได้ก่อเกิดงานที่ทรงคุณค่าด้านการอนุรักษ์ศิลปะ
what we do?
เดินกลับบ้านไม่มีรถเลย
We don't have cars, but we have here a beautiful Christmas decoration. But we don't have car. It's a very
เดิ
busy
น
day.
ตั้งแต่หน้าเซ็นทรัล
And
จน
we,
มาถึงคอนโดใช้ระยะทางประมาณ 5 กิโลได้
like 3 kilometers or
5
5 kilometers we walk. From walking now, more than walking street, until to Arcadia. Because the motorbike asks 400 baht for one person.
รถ 1,400 บาทมอเตอร์ไซค์นะคะ ก็คือแบบก็เข้าใจแหละว่ามันเป็นสถานที่ท่องเที่ยวแล้วก็คนมันเยอะนี่ก็มาหากินแบบเหมือน
Yeah.
เหมือนปีหลายๆก่อนมาไม่รู้ว่าเพิ่งเคยเจอก็เลยไม่อยากให้เงินไม่อยากให้ค่ากับคนแบบ
Okay.
หากินทำนาบนหลังคนนั่นแหละ
Okay, guys. We need to close this video here, yeah?
แล้วเจอกันใหม่คลิปหน้าเดี๋ยวคลิปหน้านี่ซื้อของคริสต์มาสมาแล้วเดี๋ยว
It was a long day. Have Christmas.
เดี๋ยวจะมาจัดคริสต์มาสแล้วทำวิดีโออีกคลิปหนึ่ง another video for
Yeah.
me Christmas
Decoration, our
Yeah.
room.
เดี๋ยวก็จะจัดคริสต์มาสในห้องนอนนะคะ เป็นห้องนอนเล็กๆ แล้วเป็นปีแรกของฉันด้วย Thank you so much for the first year for Christmas in Thailand for me
Oh, for me too in Thailand.
หรอ
Yeah.
โอเค
Okay, see you next time. Bye.
ทำค่ะบ๊าย